This is the part 2 video for Hinduism Packet. Diet. Hindus believe all living things have souls, so many are vegetarians. Most Hindus who do not eat meat do not eat cows. Sorry, let me reread that. Most Hindus who do eat meat do not eat cows. They are considered sacred animals because they produce milk for people. Cows are allowed to wander freely in India. Some Hindus refuse to use leather products. Celebrations. There are several holidays and festivals in Hinduism that serve as opportunities for people to celebrate their beliefs. Holi is celebrated in late February and or March. This two-day festival celebrates spring, color, merrymaking, and various events from Hindu mythology. People enjoy squirting each other with colored water or powder during Holi. Krishna Janmashtami occurs in August and or September. This two-day festival celebrates the birth of the god Krishna, Vishnu. Ganesh Chaturthi also takes place in August and or September. It is an 11-day festival that celebrates the birth of the god Ganesh. Navaratri is celebrated in early October. This 9-day festival celebrates devotion to the goddess Durga, or Shakti, and the triumph of good over evil. Diwali, or the Festival of Lights, is a 5-day festival in October and or November celebrating the victory of light over darkness. The dates vary often depending on the geographic location. Okay, so your next page, which is your second last page, is a matching section. So you're going to take, for example, number 1 is samsara. You're going to look for the definition of samsara here, and you're going to write that letter on the line. So samsara, we had a section where we talked about samsara. So let's find, where did we talk about samsara? There's karma. Dharma. Poems related to samsara. Did we about samsara before? So you have to go back and kind of skim and scan and look for the information that you need. So I see I have Brahma, I have Atman, Brahma, Moksha. Okay, no samsara. This time I see samsara is when we're here. Let's go back up here where we saw it and read. Okay, so it says they were later embraced by Hindus, so they are considered the earliest scriptures or holy texts. They contain myths, prayers, and religious songs and poems related to samsara, karma, and dharma. So, I cannot find samsara now. Here it is. It's under the beliefs. So Hindus also believe it is freedom from samsara, a cycle of birth, death, and reincarnation. So for number 1, samsara, you would look for here. Hindus believe in the cycle of birth, death, and reincarnation. So for number 1, you would write a C on that line. So then we have Atman, Brahman, Moksha. Those are all in that first section. Karma has its own section. Dharma has its own section. We have Vedas, Bhakti, India, and Vishnu. and then you're going to find which definition matches. So you're going to have to go back in the reading and look. The next section we have is a true or false section. So you're going to read each statement and you're going to put an X in the box if it's under T if it's true, an X in the box in the column under F if it's false. So the first one is all Hindu sects practice the same customs and traditions. Shaivites believe Shiva occasionally destroys the universe. 13. Smartas worship 5 main gods and goddesses. 14. Hindus only pray in their temples or mandirs. 15. Ganesh is an elephant-headed god who removes obstacles. 16. Hindus sometimes take pilgrimages or religious journeys. 17. Beef is the main meat eaten by Hindus. 18. Diwali is also known as the Festival of Lights. 19. Hindus often make offerings to the gods. And 20. Hinduism is the most popular religion in the world. So you're going to have to go back again into the reading and find the answer. So you can go back probably to the first video really to find most of your answers. Okay, and then the last page, question 21. What is the main goal for a Hindu? A, to be reincarnated as an animal. B, for their soul, the Atman, to be one with Brahman. C, to take a pilgrimage to the Ganges River. Or D, to have good karma. 22. And pause the video while you're answering your question and you look in your packet. Or go back to the first video. 22. What is the main way a person can achieve good karma? A, create a shrine in their home and provide offerings for the gods. B, take a pilgrimage to bathe in the Ganges River. C, be selfless and perform good works. Or D, build a mandir or temple in his or her community. Number 23. Which of the following is true of Shiva? He is thought to have a third eye to represent wisdom. He is often portrayed with an elephant head. He is usually drawn with 3 eyes and 4 arms, or he is typically shown riding a tiger. 24. What is the main reason Hindus meditate? To achieve good karma, to pray to Shiva, to achieve inner peace and spiritual awareness, to be reincarnated in a favorable way. Number 25. Why do many Hindus mainly take pilgrimages to the Ganges River in India? To pray at the special temple located there, to wash away their sins with what is believed to be holy water, to help those who are less fortunate, or D, to attempt to convert Muslims and Christians to Hinduism. 26. Holi is a 2-day festival that celebrates which season? Spring, summer, fall, or winter. 27. Why do Shaivites mainly believe Shiva destroys the universe occasionally? To rid the world of evil, to pave the way for the creation of a more perfect world, to achieve acceptance from Brahma, or to create more space for Hinduism to spread. And then finally, 28. Which of the following is true about the Vedas? They were written in the Hebrew language. They were written in the Hebrew language. They were found in a cave in ancient Egypt. They contain myths, prayers, and religious songs and poems, or the Upanishads were written before the Vedas. So remember, for these from 21 to 28, you're going to have to go back and look in the reading to get your answer. Well, actually, all of the questions, go back into the reading and look.